6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Begin! This contest. Look at that! Smashing them! Look at that! Crazy Legs Conti on his 4th cannoli. Pat from Monaki, he is known for the strength of his jaw on his 3rd, about to go to 4. Lazy because of his attempt to establish a sister city relationship with St. Louis, Missouri and Monaki, New Jersey. It failed, but it's all about civility, which we learned last night is much needed in this nation. We are past the halfway mark now, 2 minutes.